So in this video I want to run through how to create a very simple mass model for use with Fenestra Pro Premium for Revit. And I want to talk about how we set up our facades so that we can look at the facade as a whole, but then individually look at floor by floors or even zone by zone. So I've created a very simple footprint of a building here on one level. I've created a number of levels for this building, and I've given this ground floor a height of 4 meters in accordance with the level heights. So what I want to do is edit and place this particular model to copy that mass that I've already made of one single floor up across a number of floors. So I'm just very simply going to copy it, paste it to selected levels right up to level 6. And now I should be able to look at each of these elements on a surface by surface level rather than the whole facade. At level 7 I'm going to do something slightly different, and I'm going to do one element of the building across the remaining floors. So I'm going to do a very simple rectangular element to this building. Create the form and give it 12 meters, which is my remaining 3 stories. And now finish the mass. So now I'll be able to look at each of these floor by floor, but I will only be able to look at this particular element of the facade over 3 stories. So a couple of things I need to do before launch Fenestra Pro. It's very important, first of all, to mass your floors. So all the floors up to but excluding your roof level. And then the next thing I need to do is show my energy model. First of all, I'm going to just set some my energy settings. I'm going to turn off my perimeter zone. I'm going to take my percentage glazing to 0. You can also select your building type, your location, as we went through in an earlier video. I'm going to make sure my energy model is shown. So now it's ready for Fenestra Pro to launch. What I'm going to do, just for the purpose of this, I'm going to set it as 50% just so I can show you how the surfaces have been broken up. So I've set 50% glazing on each of my surfaces, and I'm going to go into my facade manager. So I'll select a facade that I can So there's facade number 1. That's the entirety of the facade, and as you can see we have different surfaces broken up, which will show us surface number 1, surface number 2, 3, 4, right up to surface number 7, which will then be my remaining 3 floors.